How to fix the issue where your LG television keeps disconnecting from the Wi-Fi. So if you're having any kind of network issues, I'm going to show you a couple of ways on how to solve this. So the first thing we're going to do is just bring up the settings window like so. You can either press the settings button on your remote control, or you can just head over to the LG home screen and you can click on the settings wheel in the top right hand side. You can then come down to all settings and click on this. Click on General and then scroll down to Network. Now go and select your Wi-Fi or your Ethernet connection. Click on Other Network Settings and then scroll down and click on Advanced Wi-Fi Settings. Now come down to the bottom and click on Edit and uncheck this option for Set Automatically. Now come down to the DNS server and we need to go and type in the following numbers. Go and type in 8.8.8.8 and then click on Connect. You can then press Done and then click on Connect at the bottom of the page. Once you've done that, try opening something that uses the Wi-Fi and you can check to see if that solves the issue. If it's not working, then bring up the settings window again and click on All Settings at the bottom. Scroll down and click on Support. Scroll over to the Software Update and then click on the Check for Updates button and just ensure your television is fully up to date. Now, if it's still not working, make sure your Wi-Fi router is placed closely to your television. If it's too far away, obviously this will be the reason why it keeps disconnecting. Now, if your router is already close to your television and you're still getting this issue, the final solution is to go and reset to default settings. So bring back up the settings page and click on all settings. We're then going to scroll down and click on General, scroll across and then come down to System and then select Reset to Initial Settings right at the bottom of the page. You could then go and press Reset All, and that's going to factory reset your TV back to its original settings. Just do bear in mind that you will need to go and reconnect to the Wi-Fi network, and also any accounts that you're currently signed into on your TV, you'll also need to go in re-sign back into those accounts.